Want to know how to check your wallet or your rewards in booking.com? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how I can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your booking.com website. So you can just simply head towards the web browser and type in booking.com. So once you have typed it up, you should be provided with this interface right here. We have also created a video on how to log in, so make sure to watch it. So once you have logged in, on the top right side you should be seeing your name right here and your Genius level. So you can just simply select it, and now here a small rectangle box should pop up, and right below Genius loyalty program you should be seeing rewards and wallet. So you can just simply select it. Now once you have selected rewards and wallet, here you should be seeing a new page pop up which shows your reward balance or which shows your wallet balance. So you can just simply see right here its value, and you can also see credits or vouchers. So you can also add coupon code and once more. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.